Hello, so we're on Serenity now, and we'll be meeting Cheryl, who will show us around. Hello, thank you. Hi, Cheryl.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome aboard. So Serenity now, it's a Lagoon 620. It's been through a full outdoor refit. All the cushions are brand new. All the table, the crackeries. I'll take you.
Please.
Okay. So as you see, we have a couple of seaters which can enhance the snorkeling. You don't need to do anything, you just go with it. We do scuba diving on board. John is a dive instructor and I'm a dive master, so we can do courses here. We have full snorkeling masks and normal, and we have the fins and everything you need to get into the water. Now here we have 2 paddle boards, brand new. We have 2 people kayak, so you can go for a romantic tour. We have the tube, we have the skis, we have the bull.
Oh, what's the bull about? I haven't seen that.
It's very cool. You can sit on the bull and ride it.
Oh, you ride a bull in the water. All right.
Yes. So it's very, very nice.
And it's like hard, right? Or is it easy? Or what's the idea?
Well, it's fun. So if it's a bit more choppy weather, it will be harder.
All right.
It will be easier.
All right. So if it's choppy, get on the bull and you know, get pulled behind the boat or something, right?
The only boat in BVI that has a bull.
Yeah.
We have the bean bags just to hang out in the sun with a cocktail.
Nice.
And we even have a couple of surfing boards.
Oh, surfboards.
Yeah.
So where would you take people surfing?
So we can go to Apple Bay. We can drop you off near Josiah Bay and catch a taxi, go with your boat and catch waves there. Even in Cane Garden, sometimes there is swell coming, and we are
some
experienced
surfers. Been in Cane once, like surfing, and that was kind of crazy. Like I would say above my skill level. So yeah, like
it's only for people that
experience. Like
yes.
So
upstairs.
But up to you. Like we want to do the
Absolutely.
sun deck.
So normally John's steering the boat from here, and all the rest is for our guests to sit, to hang out, and enjoy the beautiful area. We have shade area, and we have sand beds. We have everything you need. It's very, very nice to have cocktails here at 5 o'clock. Like
I can imagine.
And yeah, you get the best view from up here, that's for sure. As well, if you want to know a little bit more about sailing, John is always happy to give you the helm or to show you what you want.
And
you need to know.
I see there's a little cheat sheets for the guests, so you know, like ease the main cheat, you know, like sure, boom, it works because it's written on there. Awesome.
Exactly. And you even have here a fridge full of beers, everything you need. It's right near us. Now we will go inside. As well, we have ice maker and another fridge. We have a full bar. So everything is very convenient, and your drinks will always be cold.
That is important, yes.
This is
the AC is real nice.
yeah.
Ooh, feels good.
This is Coco the fish.
Coco the fish.
Yeah, he's right here. Very friendly.
Alright. Coco the fish. Hi, Coco. Alright.
Now we have a big television here. I will show you.
I'm wondering about these now. Like
Oh yeah, we are in the water contest, so hopefully we will win.
We've only had one judge come by, so we don't.
Yes. So
I'm sure they'll show up. It's tomorrow evening.
Thirsty.
we have television here.
Awesome.
Netflix all the time. If we are not in the BVIs and the internet is not good, we have 2,000 movies saved, including Disney. But as well, all the cabins will have Netflix linked to the bed, just in case. And we have a GoPro, so after we take cool videos of diving or snorkeling, you can watch it even here, and we will send you the videos as well.
I've got a drone on board and stuff like that.
And the
Yeah,
drone.
we
That
have
was the
the drone.
follow-up. Awesome.
Yes.
So it's good to play with those things and get.
Yes.
So guests can have really nice videos from the drones and you
Yes.
send them later. Awesome.
Absolutely, absolutely. And we have sound system all over the boat, so music upstairs, downstairs, here, and you can control it. You can put 3 different types.
I see. I see the sound systems. So
Yes.
pretty much the beach as well. If you're at the beach, you just turn it up and.
Yeah,
Yes, exactly.
there's 3 zones as well, from upstairs, back and down. And we had new speakers installed outside. You wanted more bass.
Yeah, I see that. It looks like like it's
Yes.
cool. So can we see the cabin?
Absolutely. Let's start with the master suite.
Please. All right.
So, this is the honeymoon suite or the master suite. Normally, the owner of the charter.
Mm-hmm.
It's bigger than a queen size bed, and now all the beddings are brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Nice satin feeling to them. We have the beach towel, so nobody needs to bring anything from home beside themselves in a bathing suit. The television with the Netflix, full AC. Even here you have AC, and in the other side. So you won't sweat when you're taking a shower. This is just windows, you can watch everybody. Full of cupboards, so there is always more than enough space. The bathroom will be here, and the shower.
Yeah, the shower is quite massive.
Yes, the shower is very massive. You have this one and you have that one. And all showers coming with eco-friendly, organic soap, shampoo and conditioner.
Mm-hmm.
Really high-end stuff. So you really don't need to bring from your home any shampoos or conditioners or liquids like that. Yeah, so this is our master suite. We will go now to check the other 2 cabins. It's a 3-cabin guest cabins boat, so we have up to 6 guests that can come. This will be the next one. I will let you have a seat. The only difference is really that the bathroom is a little bit smaller. It's just a little bit smaller, but
It doesn't have the access to the deck,
Exactly.
It's just like kind of the.
Exactly.
But
And
yeah,
it's
like
very
it's nice
comfy.
and roomy and comfy and.
And a lot of storage, so very romantic.
Mhm.
And you can take your
I'm
time.
wondering what these are. This looks really interesting.
So
Looks
all-
like some local art.
Yes.
Mhm.
So all our art on the boat made by the same lady. She's from Newport, US, and she's a brilliant artist. She made all our art around the boat. So it's just the touch of the sea. We try to make all the boat looks like a beach house. So it's giving you the feeling of.
Yeah, good job
You know.
with that. Well done.
Thank you. Fresh food always around. Now we go to the last cabin.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Meeting with my eyes, so. It's like savory.
You're more than
I'm
welcome
eating
to
with my-
have some.
Oh, that would spoil that. They look amazing, Let's
It's
just
a
leave
fal-
it for the
It's
next
falafel
people.
burgers, so they are
Oh,
vegetarian,
awesome.
but Israeli.
There's
Like,
a vegetarian competition, so you're getting ready, you're testing
yes.
already.
I
Like,
am going to do the competition for the vegan dessert.
oh, all right.
Yes, I'm really excited.
All right, so good luck with that. I hope you win.
Thank you so much. I hope so too.
I wish I could vote, but
You're so
they have the
sweet.
judges now. So
Oh, so they picked already the judges, yeah?
yeah, I think there are like 3 judges, and they will, I know one of the judges though, so I might
okay.
talk to him. Like, listen,
Oh, that's
I haven't tried the veggie burger, but it looked awesome.
You're more than welcome to. I'll take you now to the kitchen.
Please, let's see the galley if it's
Yes,
yeah, like
absolutely. So
Alright.
this salon is huge. It gives the guests
Alright.
full comfiness. And if you need anything, this is where you can find me. Yeah, I have this door, it's open for the outside, so I always keep an eye on my guests and always there for them.
I see. So you see if they need anything, so it's good. Like you're here,
Yes.
but you're not like standing right
Exactly.
behind them, I guess.
Exactly. I'm very sensitive to my guests. I really want to be there for them and get them all the drinks they need and make sure they're always happy. We have the blender, so smoothies and frozen cocktails is always on this boat.
So what would be your specialty if the guests say like what do you guys want to eat, and you say and they say like shock me or surprise me or
Okay.
something, like what would you?
Well, I really love fresh food, and
Alright.
I love to use spices because I'm from Israel.
All right.
So I love salads. First of all, for lunch, we're making.
I would just like to get better like background because I'm getting the sun behind this. So if we could finish upstairs.
Whatever is doing.
Yeah, but please finish. So yeah, so fresh food.
So fresh food. I mean, everybody coming to the Caribbean, normally from a cold country,
Yeah.
they don't want to eat heavy because
Exactly.
it's anyway so hot. So lunches are always salads with protein. So it can be a grilled pineapple and chicken salad, or tuna nisuas, or shrimp pasta salad.
I'm waiting
very-
to hear ceviche.
Oh, ceviche always, especially if we're catching a fish.
Oh,
That's-
so-
we normally make it at raw because it's the most tasty.
Oh, there they are. Yeah, like I see the fishing rods now. So
Yes.
So you
we
catch a
have
lot of fish?
For fishing rod.
Oh,
Yes.
for fishing rod.
Yes.
Awesome.
Johnny is a very good fisherman.
Oh,
And we have the boat has
that's-
license for fishing.
That's important.
So,
This looks like you could just fish from here. No, just
Yeah, you
that
can
would be
fish cocoa
that
if you're
that
really
would be.
desperate.
Oh no, we're not gonna.
No, I'm
Coco.
joking, Coco.
Yeah, she's turning her back on you. I think you're gonna have to do some explanation to do. Like this is not
Yes,
good.
now she's so scared of me.
All right, so Cheryl, like thank you for showing me around.
It's a pleasure. And yeah, welcome to paradise.
Thank you.